Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials: a 9V battery clip, 1K omega resistor, LED, and 2 probes. Start by connecting the clip to the battery, then attach the resistor to the battery's positive terminal. Once done, wire the LED after the resistor. This protects the LED and limits current. Make sure probe leads are stripped and secured to the negative and the LED/resistor junction. You're setting a simple series circuit, so the tester shows. Now assemble the working circuit. Solder or tightly twist each joint, then insulate it. If you prefer sound, swap the LED for a small buzzer placed after the resistor. Audible feedback is faster for hands-on checks. Once done, attach one probe to the battery negative and the other to the indicator path. Test on a known short, your LED lights or buzzer sounds. Test on an open, nothing happens. This verifies both correct wiring and that the resistor keeps current safe. Finish by housing the tester in a small box and securing probes with strain relief. This prevents wear. If the indicator fails, first check battery voltage. 9V must be present, then inspect for loose joints or reversed LED/buzzer polarity. Once done, make sure solder joints are shiny and solid. Cold joints resist current. If problems persist, use a multimeter to measure voltage across the indicator and continuity at each connection to isolate the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.